Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. Got a 2021 Can-Am Defender HD10 Limited. It's got the full hard cab, heater, wiper, air conditioning, winch, tip-out windshield, electric power windows, full street legal kit with blinkers. I'm going to say the tires are around 50 or 60%. The machine has the electric power windows, rear fender flares, tilt assist dump box, I don't know if I said that it's got the wiper, but it does have that. This machine has 2,283 hours, 12,334 miles. I'm going to take another video of it getting started up and drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always give us a call at the store, 406-232-3300.